right. If it's trending, easy likes, easy views.
That's what everyone does.
For real. It's a copycat.
Copycat
league.
Why not? More the merrier. We can all eat. I'm telling you, I'm still grinding to 10K on TikTok and Instagram. That's all I care about is that 10K. Eyebrow slit too.
Yeah, remind me, you know, I forget.
Yeah. You get eyebrow slit? Bro, you don't see it? It's right there, bro.
Is it?
Hold on.
Oh, I noticed. Now I noticed.
You never noticed in your whole life.
Well, I'm not sure. All that staring eyes.
Yeah, but still, it's like I feel like it's just what you see. Like, you know what I've noticed?
I've noticed your eyebrows.
What'd you notice about him?
Nothing.
How are you about to say?
2 a.m. Batman Booga. That's a fire username. And Clicks is an X set. I want 1v1 Clicks and Booga. Like in total, my whole life on TikTok.
$1. That's progress right there.
$1 per stream?
Some people make 0. That's progress.
$8 ain't bad.
You said what?
I said $8 ain't bad.
No, yeah. You don't want to sit down, Chad? You don't want to sit down? Energetic? What's the wrong account? I got just the name Zave on YouTube and my TikTok now.
Really? What'd you have before, like underscores and stuff?
Underscore and 2 Z's, yep.
How'd you get the real name?
I just emailed them and was like, I no longer want that name, I want this one. And then I changed the actual one that I had on my other account, which is just Zave and I switched it over.
But did someone have the old name or the original name before? You had to get it off an account or something? Or?
Nah, I'm the only one.
Oh, okay.
They just didn't let me do it for some reason because I had it on my other account. Like I was that other person.
Oh, okay.
I just wanted it on a certain email and on my main account.
So they let you change it. So they wound up letting you change it then?
Yeah.
That's dope.
What do you doing? What do you mean? What do you doing? What do you mean? Jack, when are you gonna invite her to the thing?
Who?
Liz, to the trip.
What trip? Which one?
The next one. Like the one that you brought the paper for me for?
Oh, Drexel?
Yeah.
I just because we're only 2 slips left. Yeah, I ain't know about it. I already went there to ask her. I'll leave active. Can't do it, bro.
You trying to go to Drexel?
Nah,
we just go to the trip just to go.
Oh, really?
I'm going to Stanford.
Stanford? Oh, really? That's in where's it at?
That's in California, brother.
Oh, really? Damn. You gotta accept it?
Nah, but I ain't applied yet. But I got a 1500 on my SUT score.
Oh, shoot.
But I don't know. It's like far, mad far. That's like
Yeah.
Oh, this is not going to South Carolina.
Where's she going now?
I don't know. McKinnon lot. Oh, that's in McKinnon going. Where is it going that far?
She only wants to go where McKenna goes?
Nah, McKinnon's line. Like, it was just McKinnon going doing it. Yeah.
Weirdo stuff.
There's not one spot. That's God bless me.
Who are they? People from your school?
Yeah. Well, she was going off on Maria too. Shit. Off on a video for a BF, this is tough.
Hmm?
This is a video. It's on TikTok earlier. I just remembered that was
That bracelet she gave you?
Ooh.
Hmm?
That's from my mom's crew.
Mmm. Oh, she brought you something back?
Yeah.
See, bro, W mom, bro.
And a bracelet for Elizabeth.
You what?
A bracelet for Elizabeth.
It was for her?
Nah, another one for us.
Oh, you gotta give it to you know who now. Still considered a Liz. I don't have an EIN number.
Can't get on
You need an EIN?
Oh no,
partner?
SSN. Never mind.
Oh, okay.
Thank God. God bless.
Your number, isn't it?
I'm doing a Fortnite supported creator code. Actually, so hyped. You have to do a whole W9 form.
Yeah.
If you leak that to my camera, I'm stealing your identity.
Huh?
I said if you leak your code to my camera, I'm stealing your identity.
Video of what?
Just really cool ass this Armstrong here.
The what?
I don't know. It's a cool ass edit. Do the camera and Sony. Tough. Also with Barber. I'm going to the idea. Right now. Before it's too late.
Is it too late to say sorry? 'Cause I... You see how he's going, puh, puh, puh. You can hear it like the pop filter stuff. Every time, every P word he said, it sounded weird.
Yeah, mics are bad at picking up sounds like that. Or the S's. They're real sharp.
How's life?
Chilling.
You said can't complain?
With me?
Yeah.
No, I said chilling.
Oh.
Been doing nothing, just working.
Mm.
Went to some dope church today. And John was in like Phoenixville.
Mm.
Super big.
Like a mega church?
Not really like the sanctuary was big, but like the building was huge. They rent like they rent a space in a big building. It was called like Journey Church. John was cool though. The sanctuary looked like almost like a movie set kind of. Yeah, they put like a lot into like the production.
Yeah.
Got these big like LED board screens and stuff.
Oh yeah, they put some money on that.
Yeah, facts.
And I gotta wait a couple hours now. So everything
To
gets
get approved?
finalized. Yeah, it said wait a couple hours.
Nice. Get your own creator code on that, John.
And I got it. XAVGZ. It said that was available.
Oh, literally perfect.
Because no one has that name.
Sure. Build up a little community based off of that. You can get some bread, man.
Every little bit counts. Tell everyone that plays Fortnite use that code.
For real, right?
It's only 5 letters too, so they can't be that lazy to type it in.
Mm-hmm. It's better to have your hands in a bunch of things. You know what I mean? That's how you get them multiple sources of income.
That's exactly what I want. Starlin sent me a Fortnite reel. What the heck?
Just do it like this. There.
This is what you was talking about?
Nah, I can't find it. I'm find something.
Oh, that's tough. Yeah.
Something cinematic.
Yeah, I need to use this camera more. This one ain't gonna get a view like that. This one got like that top down view, but I definitely gotta use that camera better.
That camera is actually good, like point of view camera.
This one? Yeah, it's like first person. You said for OnlyFans? You wilding out. That's funny as hell. Yeah, you use these Johns for all kind of things. I got this John so I could look back at my haircuts.
Yeah.
And then cause a lot of the videos on YouTube, like they not like you don't never get a full length haircut. Like
tell it, learn better.
yeah, those
I'm like happy to do it.
exactly, like they be chopping that John up too much, and I'm like I want to see the whole process though. You know, cause they be telling you to do certain steps when you're a new barber. You start doing these steps and you don't really see nothing happening on the hair, and you like, yo, am I doing something wrong? So when you do like these first person clips, you could basically see the whole haircut from start to finish. That John be helping a lot, and you just learn. Like I'm like, I guess like a visual learner. So I gotta see like, I gotta see what you telling me to do. Like I gotta see you actually doing it for me to like realize it works.
Yeah, that's why when you and my mom or someone tells me at a park, right, I'm like, I don't know how to do it.
I knew you was gonna say that.
True.
I think you also stubborn too, though. And you don't like being told what to do. A little bit. You know that's true. You got a lot of pride when it comes to your driving. Every new driver does. It's not just you. Everybody. And it's easy to get annoyed when someone's trying to help you. I used to hate when I was a new driver. I hated everybody I got in my passenger seat. Or if you in the back seat trying to tell me how to drive, I was getting pissed. You know, you a good driver though. You just gotta get more comfortable behind the wheel. You know, like little things. Once you get comfortable with the road, and then comfortable with the size of your car, because I can tell you're not like real comfortable with like the dimensions of the car yet.
Yeah, for sure.
And then the fact that you don't have a rear view mirror, like that's hard too. Because the rear view is easy, but
Like the backup cam?
yeah. Oh my bad, I said rear view mirror. Yeah, everybody got a rear view mirror. That's actually crazy. But the backup cam, the rear view cam, like when you don't have that, John, is way harder.
I'll get one soon. The place that we went to, me and Jack, they do it over there.
On the spot.
It's just all about just going and getting it done.
Yeah, definitely get that, John. You'll notice like, oh shoot, this is way easier now. It saves you a lot of time. But it is good to learn the mirrors too.
For sure.
I know for a fact, like if I go back to using the mirrors, I'll be rusty because I haven't used them Johns in so long. Be like I'm learning how to drive again or something.
Bro, try to find a good real idea, Jack. For me and him. For my John.
Yeah, it's good.